What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're gonna be messing with the GT Mustang, and here she is. She's giving me a little bit of trouble when she's idling. I can hear a bad bearing in the clutch, so we're gonna mess with the clutch today. We're gonna take out the transmission again, as it's so much fun to do, especially when you have to crawl under the car. But yeah, I'm not sure how much I'm gonna show on what I'm doing, but I will definitely show the parts that I'm gonna be exchanging. For example, right here is my Ford Racing throwout bearing that I had in my V6 Mustang, and then this thing is really good. It was like 80-90 bucks, but we'll see when I take out the transmission what the problem is. So let's get to it, getting it out. So I have her idling in first gear. She's... Don't do this at home, by the way. I'm not at home. And then the clutch is actually making, the throwout bearing is actually making sound. So yeah, let's take it off. I'm not sure if you can hear this, but clutch in, no noise, clutch out. Alright, here's a quick progress update. Got the drive shaft out, got the H pipe out, and I got the starter out, got the fluid out. And if you've never taken out a starter on a Mustang, you're definitely gonna need this contraption. You're gonna need a 13 millimeter, and then you're gonna need a brake, an extension, a brake, an extension, and an extension. So that's how much of an extension you're gonna need. And you want to fish it right on here. This is if you want to make it easy on yourself. If you don't, then you can do it your way. And then you're going to run extension right through here and right through there. So once you get it through there, you got to hold it with the hand over there, and you got to use a ratchet on this side. But yeah, so far next thing is I just have to do a couple of screws on a trans and a trans mount, and the transmission is out. I'll just get that out. Alright, here is the clutch. Looks pretty good. Even wear on these. And then we're gonna go check. I'm definitely gonna take out the clutch as well, so I can inspect it inside. I'm also gonna inspect the pressure plate, and also I'm gonna change out a pilot bearing. So let me show you the trans. We're gonna mess with that one next. Here is the 3650. Here is throwout bearing. So if you do spin it, you do hear it rattle a little bit. So I'll take out this, take out the fork, and we're gonna examine those parts. Here is, I'm gonna see if this one is gonna work. There's a big difference in here. This is for racing versus cheap one. And also, let me see where the thing is. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna buy stuff at the Rock Auto anymore. This is brand new trans mount that literally just came apart, and I picked the most expensive one on their website. So thank God I have one for my V6, so I'll use that one, but this is total garbage. Here, check this out. I don't think that's supposed to be happening in the throwout bearing. And then obviously the good brand for racing. Look at that, solid, can't move it anywhere. All right, let's change that out and see what's up. All right, here is my Ford Racing fork, and also pivot ball, and also throwout bearing. And I think I had the same one on my V6, but this one is like, it spins pretty good, but it's an old, so this one doesn't spin as much because it's full of grease. But for sure I'm gonna install this with this and this pivot ball. I'm gonna throw this away or probably save it, because I have a T5 that I did all the synchros on that thing, but I couldn't get the 5th gear changed. But that's gonna be one of the videos that I'm gonna do. Is I'm gonna show you how to take out the gears and change out the synchro so you don't have any grinding and stuff like that. All right, your throwout bearing is in there, fork, pivot, and here is the clutch. This thing is brand new, honestly, nothing wrong with it. Just gotta clean it before I put it in there, and we should be good to go. All right, pretty much everything is buttoned up. Got the transmission in, got the exhaust in. So next thing is I'm gonna fill some oil, but I'm gonna do it through a shifter, because a lot of people say just do it through here, it's easier, and I agree. So we're just gonna fill it with some oil. She is all done. Man, the clutch feels so smooth, it's crazy, and can't hear any more rattle. Well, she's all done. My god, you have no idea how much the throwout bearing was making a noise, and now she's idling so smooth. There's no rattle on the bottom. Hell yeah, hella worth it. She's looking clean, boys. I have to give her a little clean too. Man, the MagnaFlow sounds so good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned, give me the thumbs up, like the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.